So far, we have been using the Hindu Arabic numerals, the number system we use every day, the decimal number system or base 10. Why base 10? Because it uses 10 unique digits, 0 to 9. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you think Roman numerals also follow base 10? Actually, no. Roman numerals follow something closer to a mixed system. Why? Because they use only 7 basic symbols to represent numbers. These symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. Another important difference, we have 0 and a place value system. Because of place value, we can easily write and calculate very large or very small numbers. But in Roman number numerals, 0 does not exist and there is no place value system. Because of that, performing arithmetic operations directly using Roman numerals was quite difficult. In fact, Roman numerals were not mainly used for doing calculations in everyday life. Since there were only 7 symbols, the Romans created rules to write other numbers. These rules are based on addition and subtraction. Let's see a simple example. If we write V and then place I after it, we add the values together. So V plus I becomes VI, which means 6. But if I comes before V, the rule changes. The smaller number is subtracted from the larger one. So IV means 5 minus 1, which is equal 4. So the position of this symbol changes the meaning. Now, what about very large numbers? For numbers greater than 1000, the Romans used a special idea. They placed a bar above the symbol, and that bar meant the number should be multiplied by 1000. For example, if you write V with a bar above it, it represents 5000. As numbers become larger, more bars could be used to indicate even bigger values. Even though Roman numerals are not convenient for calculations, we still see them in many places today. You may have noticed them in book chapter numbering, index pages, clocks, and wristwatches. They are also used when naming kings and queens, such as Rajaraja Chola II or Queen Elizabeth II. And here is another place you might have seen them. At the end of some movies, you might notice a Roman numeral like MV, ML, XV written in the copyright line that actually represents the year 1965. So, even though Roman numerals are ancient, they still appear in our modern world.